Small bird escapes his cage and discovers a whole big world outside. Yes, our today's story is about Small Bird's Big Adventure. Small Bird was a very small bird. He was very small and very birdy. He lived in a beautiful house with the giant. Small Bird loved the giant very much. She was a kind giant. She gave him lots of toys to play with. Small Bird was sad when the giant wasn't around. One day, Small Bird flew out to find the giant. He flew up and up until he could see the whole world. He wanted to find the giant. Where would he land? Small Bird landed in a huge forest filled with trees and flowers and treasure. He loved playing with the shiny jewels in the forest. But where was the giant? He walked into a vast field of snow. The snow was white and soft. He loved rolling around on the cool ground. But where was the giant? This time he flew even higher into the sky. He flew among the stars and galaxies. But where was the giant? From way up high with his sharp birdie eyes, he saw something. What could it be? He dived down, down, and down. Where would he land? He landed right in the giant's hands. He was so happy to see her. I love you, giant, he shrieked. The giant held Small Bird close to her. I love you too, the giant said. Small Bird is looking for the giant. Who do you think is the giant? Do you really think it's a giant, children? Answer your teacher in your online classes. Thank you.